Hi guys. So today we're gonna use an internet meme in order to do some one-step and two-step solving equations, because, why not? I mean, fun way to do math. Take some things that you do in real life of sitting on Facebook or some other social media and, hey look, hey, it's math. I know how to solve this, and we're gonna talk about how to solve it. I had done a different video and I had sent it to the friend who I'd got the idea from, but when I zoom in on my picture, which I couldn't do in my other one because it wasn't a very pretty copy of it, we got to take a look at this guy down here. So my last video is not wrong, I just missed a piece because I had used a screenshot from my phone and not from the internet with my own computer, which it happens sometimes. And now that's too big because I can't write. So let's make that a little bit smaller. Right size, wrong spots, but that's fine. We just go boop and boop and boop. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use some algebra, and we are going to solve this equation to figure out that bottom line. So the first part's the same. I got 3 of the shoes, or 3 times shoe. See, I need to make this a little bigger because I don't have room to write. Come on, mouse. There we go. So I have 3 times shoe is equal to 30. So we undo that multiplication with division because we always use opposites. So then we see that shoe is equal to 10. So anytime I see a shoe, I'm going to plug in 10. Come on, please. Hello, computer. There we go. So 10. I need to make that still a smidge smaller, but whatever. And 10. We also have some shoes here. And this is the part that I missed because I used not a great photo in my last one, which this isn't the best either. It's what you can do with screenshots. There as well. So we have all those different spots where we have 10s. Okay. So let's go ahead into the next spot, the next line. We see that we have 2 guys, and 2 of the same thing is the same as 2 times, plus 10 equals 20. So then we need to solve by undoing that 10, because order of operations tells me that when I solve equations, I take my order of operations and flip them on its head. So instead of parentheses and exponents, we actually start with addition or subtraction. And we always undo the operations with the opposite sign. So if I see addition, I divide, or I multiply. If I see multiplication, I divide. If I see addition, I subtract. And if I see subtraction, I add. So 2 times guy is equal to 10, because 20 minus 10 is 10. And then divide both by 2. So dude is equal to, let's do green, 5. And I duplicated that enough that I can say here's a 5, and here's a 5, and here's a 5, and here's a 5. So my dude is equal to 5. And then we're ready to get on which we had got last time, by the way. We're ready to get onto that last row. Really, my big issue there is the bottom that I had messed up. And that's okay, it happens. So 2 times scarf plus 5 equals 13. So again, doing that inverse operation of subtraction. So 2 times scarf, oops, let me get that. Is equal to 8. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. And I get 4. Darn it. I'm going to just erase the equal part because then I can just duplicate that 4. And I got a 4 here, and I've got a 4 here, and I've got a 4 here. But, and this is the subtlety of this picture, I missed it the last time. Again, happens. I didn't see it because I wasn't looking close. I've got a 4 here, and I got a 4 here. They're really hard to see, but they're in his hands. So, that guy actually has, oh, let's do a fun color. He actually has 5 for the body, and then plus 4 in one hand, which is 9, plus 4 in another, which is 13, plus 10 for his shoes. So he's 23. So then we need to take a look and identify how to solve this. So again, order of operations tells me that I solve from left to right, can't talk today, parentheses first, which I don't have any, exponents next, which I also don't have any, multiplication or division from left to right, which I totally do, 23 times 4, and no, I don't know that off the top of my head, which gives me 92. 92 plus 10 is 102. So correction on that, because I didn't see the subtlety of the littleness in the picture, because I used a poor quality on my last video, which still is a basic way of doing any of these videos. You still have the same assignment. But yeah, it's 102.